There are three types of failures that can happen in a recliner mechanism failure. To first check which kind of failure we have had, we need to first remove the back. In order to remove the back, we gently pull on the clamps and the back slides off from the main reclining mechanism. Then we put the recliner on its sides and check.
Please be very careful while opening the leg rest or putting your arm onto the actuator. First, you have to put your hand on the leg rest and only then touch the actuator and push it gently while holding the leg rest slowly and releasing it for the leg mechanism to open.
In this instance, it is the first case where the clutch cable came off from the leg actuating mechanism or the leg actuator. We just put the clutch cable back into the actuator and we are done. The recliner works properly. In the second case, the clutch cable holder came off. So in order to put it back, we first have to actuate the leg rest, pull off the clutch cable from the actuator, put back the plastic clutch cable holder back into its slot, check whether it is firmly in place or not, put back the clutch cable into the actuator, and we are done. In the third case, the clutch cable came off from the clutch lever. We put the recliner back on its side and remove the two screws that are holding the clutch lever into place. Move the clutch lever out of its holder and check whether the clutch lever is in the proper groove in the clutch lever. If not, open the clutch cable from the clutch leg actuator, pull out the clutch cable so that it is convenient for us to put back in its groove in the clutch lever. While holding the clutch cable in one place, we pull the clutch cable so that proper tension is there and the clutch cable doesn't come out from the clutch lever. Put back the clutch lever in its holder. Put back the screws with a screwdriver. Once the screws are firmly tightened, we pull the clutch cable and put it back into the leg rest actuator of the reclining mechanism. Once the reclining mechanism is working properly, after we have verified any of the type of the failures and rectified it, we put back the back in its place just by sliding it into the clamps. And the final step is to put back the flap that is being held in its place with the velcro. Finally, we check the recliner if it is working smoothly or not.